This is the snowstorm of February 5th, 2014 at BillySparksFarm.com. I started that little Honda generator on the first try. Thank you, God. Well, as you can see, it's not pretty. Our power has been out since 10 to 7 this morning. I don't know, I've kind of lost track. I think it's about 2 in the afternoon. Look at this poor maple tree. The whole thing is probably going to have to be taken down. It didn't break the fence, miraculously. This guy's standing up pretty good. Yikes. The chickens decided to come out because it's not real cold. I think it's about 35 now. But it's not melting enough. You're hard to see in the snow. My little faithful friends. They are my little faithful friends. Yeah. They're eating the snow. I have to give them more water. It's over there. They made it so dirty they'd rather eat the snow. Oy. All the bunnies are in the garage, safe and sound. They're covered up for the night. Here's the new little girl. I haven't named her yet. Hi, sweetie. Hi. She is a Flemish giant doe. And I had to put our little buck Romeo, you can't even see him in there, in the dog cage, and he's not happy about it. I hear all this stuff falling here. Oh gosh. Well, this is why it was a good reason I took my bunnies in. Look at this. Look at their run. Oh, look at the branches by their run. And the tent is filled with water. I'm not, they're covering and bent in, and I'm not going to go try that because I'm not walking under those trees like a jerk. I'm not that stupid. Let it fall to the ground. The bunnies are safe inside. Bilbo on the teeter-totter, what's left of it in the snow. And Foxy's like, not me. I'm staying under the spindle. They just came out a little while. They were in their little goat hatch in their nice little warm barn, which we usually have heat in there for them. That's since the power's out. That's gone. Not looking good. Oh gosh. Nothing's looking good out here.